E whakararangi ana ngā kaitautoko o tō tātou kapa ōpango, mai ngā tōpito katoa o te rohe. Kia tūtaki a kanohi, otira kia whiwhi waitohu mai tēnei pai ōpango.
Oh, it's a good experience for the kids, to have a look, and they've been doing their jobs all week for the state, so it's good. Bribery makes it work, eh?
Mō te nuinga o ngā whānau Māori, me ngā kaitākaro i te rānei. Koenei te wā tuatahi, ka tūtaki ai ā rātou tamariki ki te tehi hau tupua ōpango. Ka wehe mai tēnei whānau i tokoroa i te ata nei, kia tai moata mai ai ki konei.
Yeah, this is my family in it. Yeah, we're from Pūkōrero, so yeah, just come up today for meet the All Blacks and whatnot, so it's cool. Good for the kids.
A big reason why I chose to come back to New Zealand and play my rugby was my culture, my kids. I have 2 daughters now. One of them's been at Aukaha since she was 1 and, speaks Māori, and yeah, it was a big part of why I chose to come home.
Ko Tyrel Lomax, no ngai tūhoi, kua hoki mai ki kirikiri roa, hei paumua mō te kapa ōpango. Aha ko no mua ia i te kapa Hurricanes. E koa ana ia ki te hoki atu ki te rohe o Waikato, ki te tākaro i te taha o na hoamahi. Hei tuakana, hei taina, e hara, hei hoariri.
Yeah, I think Ruben spoke well about it the other day, just on how important it is to a lot of us that are in here now, and there's quite a few Māori boys in here that are really proud of our culture.
They're my favourite team and they're good.
E hiarau tāngata ka tai mai pēnei i a kaumaraia, kua kotahi haora ia e rārangi ana ki te tūtaki i ngā kaitākaro o te kapatoa o Aotearoa.
Today I brought my Māoritanga flag to be signed by my favourite team and to rep Māori.
Yeah, it's awesome. I remember when I was a little kid and would come to a lot of these things, and a lot of these guys are my idols, so just sort of put myself in their shoes, and it's just special seeing a lot of Māori kids come along.
That's what builds those things. It's all like the grassroots and watching them come through those systems. I think and there's good depth in the Waikato, so yeah.
Just keep enjoying it, eh? I guess that's why I started playing rugby, to play with my mates, and love the game of rugby, so just keep enjoying it, keep backing yourself too.
Ka tīmata te kēmu, i wainga i te kapa wiwi me tō tātou kapa ōpango, hei a pōpō, ki te taiwhanga o te papatākaro o te pā.
Go the All Blacks!
Mai o hapānapa, mā Aukaha.